Namaste beautiful souls out there. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. Now welcome to my new video, and guys, what do you think? What is the most important thing to manifest anything? Or what is the most important thing as a human, as a spiritual being, or as a soul you need to have? I think it is belief. It is also a self-belief and belief in universe. When you have belief in universe, just you are going to be miraculous. You are going to attract miracles in your life. But guys, having faith in universe is the biggest thing what we can have. Whatever we are doing, whatever we are manifesting, whatever we do while manifesting anything, while manifesting our heart's desire, just have like manifesting anything, whatever we are doing, like whatever we are asking the universe, we are affirming it, we are visualizing it. But until and unless you don't trust the universe is not going to give you. Having faith in universe is the biggest thing what we can have. Who we are to doubt on universe? We can't doubt on universe. Even if we doubt on ourselves, it is maybe just because of low self-esteem, or maybe because from childhood itself you have been in that situations. But now guys, this is the time where you have to declutter those feelings and thoughts right now. We are no one to ask universe. We are no one to doubt on universe. We are no one to do that. Because without universe wish, not even a single leaf can move. Not even a single leaf can move it on this earth without the wish of universe. And whenever we are manifesting it or anything, whatever our heart desires, just remember, hashtag once again, just remember, if universe did not wanted you to do that, if universe didn't want you to manifest those things or your desire, then even your heart would not have desired that thing. So guys, have faith in universe. Because of universe wish, we are wishing those things. Universe wants us to get that thing. That is why we are wishing it. That is why we are desiring for it. Our heart is desiring for that. Just having faith and believing that whatever your heart literally desires, it is going to be manifested, and one and only universe is going to help you through people, through events, through anything or everything. Universe is going to help you. Remember. So guys, believe in yourself. Believe in universe. Manifest. Just manifest like a miracle. Be a master manifester. But for that, having faith in universe is the most important thing you should have as a master for manifesting. Yes, you have to believe in universe. You have to believe that whatever your heart desires is already with you. It is all about our belief system, and it is all about our thinking. Whatever we are manifesting in our life or whatever we are being, you have to believe that you can make the change, that you can fulfill your heart's desire, that you can attract those things which are literally meant for you. Just like this video, it is not the coincidence that we are here. Like I'm talking to you, you're listening to me. It is not a coincidence. You are and I am meant to be here. You are meant to be here, and I am meant to be here. That is why we are here. It is not just because on YouTube while scrolling you just got how to believe on universe, or why believing in your universe, how believing in universe makes you strong. It is is not YouTube. It is the universe through YouTube. Yeah, it can be the universe through YouTube. Guys, believe in yourself, believe in universe. That's all you need to manifest anything. We are no one to question universe. We are no one. Whatever your deepest desire is, look up and see that the one, the divine, is always listening to our heart. He knows what our heart desires. Have faith. Namaste, guys. It is so much sensual video now. So, namaste. Be happy. Spread kindness. Be miraculous.